What we are seeing with the gangs, the 6 and 7 gangs, a lot of younger men are involved in that sort of criminal activity. And for them, it may be a slap on the wrist, because by the time they go in, 3-year sentencing, they come out, is that sufficient time? Now, at the end of the day, somebody could have lost their life, somebody could have been injured as a result, and no amount of justice can be enough for somebody to bring their loved one back to life. At the end of the day, it is our responsibility to ensure we establish those measures to be able to address that. It is still, of course, up to the judge's discretion. Now, what some of the legislators brought up was to them that why does it always have to be at the judge's or the magistrate's discretion? That, I believe, is a matter for the Saint Lucia Bar Association to have that discussion on, together with legislators, government officials, civil society, because we all must do something about crime. It is not just government's responsibility, it's not just the media's responsibility. It is the responsibility of every single Saint Lucian to ensure that they play their part in keeping their friend, family, or loved ones safe. And in the case of these 2 young women who lost their lives, not even at the age of 30, one lost her life and she left behind 3 kids. One was a brilliant hairstylist, a social media influencer with more than 200,000 followers on TikTok. Very influential, living her life, enjoying her life. And somebody did the selfish act of taking her life away. In as much as we have spoken about bringing forward stronger legislation, the time is really now for every single one of us to act. And the government of Saint Lucia is acting now and establishing this amendment to the Child Justice Act to ensure that we put our foot down and we say enough is enough as it relates to criminal behavior. So I hope that the message is sent loud and clear to those who dare engage in crime or criminal activity to understand that the legislators, the government, the police, nobody is taking their foot off the wheel, off the pedal, or their hands off the wheel until we have been able to get all of this under control.